later period it got converted into caste system. Brahmanism, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra. There is a worst form of division. Worst form of division is the Shudra. Exploitation, mentally, physically, both. See, here for the next practical question, how? You want to tell me the class? 4:30. Now 3 to 5 is time 3 to 5 is. तुम्हारा क्लास सेट है वैसे तुम्हारा तो 9 4:30 क्लास सारा दिन मीटिंग हो रहा है 3 to 5 is class 3 to 5 introduce देखो सारे ने देखे टेंशन how it has evolved, curiosity, why, how, when, केले आहिलो आमी है ना आमी तो इने भाव मने बेले कथा কিন্তু মানে আসল ফিলোসফি ভাবিছে তেতিয়া এরিস্টটল যে ভাবিছিল হেরোডোটাস যে ভাবিছিল why we are human beings, why God has created us, why we behave in this manner, why we behave in a certain manner, why we are different from other people both physically, mentally and culturally. This is the origin of anthropology. ঠিক আছে এবার পরে বলি যেটা কন্টিনিউ করি আমি নেক্সট আমি সামসং definition of anthropology. Definition of anthropology. Should is definition of anthropology. So I'm not brain to focus करने को सब बारे ठीक है मैं brain to कम कर रहा हूँ मैं brain to focus कर बेले कितना तो जमाना लगता है notes में deep मालूम बाहर notes में ठीक है limited रखने को तो maximum में knowledge लगा हाँ ये brain to PDF डाउनलोड करने में मालूम है PDF डाउनलोड के लाभ ना तो भाग लगा तो बहुत लेता है ऐसे आपको तो उनका तो किन्हीं लगा 500 सेशन लेकर बोल में এটা কমিলে না আগতে 1000 ছিল মনে এটা কমিলে 500 সাবটাইম আছে Amazon মিলা সাপোর্ট অন ফ্লিপকার্ট সাইটে বুক আছে কার্থিক বিল রাইটার নাম কার্থিক বিল কার্থিক বিল এন্ট্রি লিখলে কমিলে এন্ট্রি আই যাবে সাইটে বুক লিখলে येलो कलर है किसमें आगे चेंज कर सो नाउ विल सी द इवोल्यूशन ऑफ द डेफिनेशन डेवलपमेंट सा मी डेवलपमेंट का एंथ्रोपोलॉजी डेवलपमेंट तो जोड़ा गोटा में बेले फिलोसोफर डेफिनेशन को समता पर में कंपम ने केना डेवलप होइसे लागे है ना एटा पर्टिकुलर एनवायरनमेंट और एटा पर्टिकुलर फिलोसोफर ए डेफिनेशन से एंथ्रोपोलॉजी अब नेक्स्ट टाइम ऑफ नेक्स्ट 17th सेंचुरी एटा बेले डेफिनेशन है 18th सेंचुरी बेले डेफिनेशन है 20th सेंचुरी बेले डेफिनेशन तने का में कंपम हाउ इट वाज डेवलप्ड. The development was from Herodotus, coined the term anthropology. Next, it was Aristotle. He is known as the father of anthropology. Aristotle is the father of anthropology. Aristotle is actually a political scientist. He was a political scientist. Aristotle. He was a political scientist. Indirectly, he has contributed because political science read about a particular behavior of human being, political behavior of human being. So he was also interested in human being. Because politics, we are not talking about other animals, we are talking about human beings. So Aristotle, he has explained about anthropology. How he has explained? Anthropology is nothing but a gossip, and anthropologists are gossipier. माने आमी गवर्नमेंट एशन according to Aristotle. ठीक है सर? Our subject is just a gossip. मैं simply एक क्वेश्चन आलो, माने meaning तो मैं दिया करूँ और meaning तो बेले ऐसे करो. Gossip. आमी की gossip करूँ? आधा मानो जाने. है ना? जो तो बस भाला लगे हमारे जाने पे एंथ्रोपोलॉजी में की वस्तु ভালো বাটা আটা মেবা বাটা মানুষ বিষয় না एंथ्रोपोलॉजी এর gossip and that gossip is the anthropology. That is the informal starting of the definition of anthropology. First step. ठीक है सर. Then next मान ले 18th centuries Immanuel Kant. 18th centuries second point of philosophy का Germany 14th to 17th centuries. तार আগতে মতমালা কিছু পন্ডিম ইয়াত দেনা বস্তুটো মতমালা এটা নোটস দিন বেলে ঠিক আছে ইয়াত দেনা বস্তুটো সেকেন্ড স্টেপ মানে কলোনিয়াল পাওয়ার ইউরোপিয়ান কলোনিয়ালিজম the European colonialism starting from Portugal, Spain.
Sorry to interrupt. Into anthropology term to Herodotus and coin.
यार लिखा है कॉइन बोली लिखा है मैं बंद कर Herodotus होता है किसान को থাকে যাবে সব है it will be Herodotus. Aristotle has explained briefly about anthropology. Now, starting point development. We are talking about development of anthropology. Development of anthropology. Colonialism, from colonialism. Starting to go question group why, when, how, all these questions. Colonialism. They moved to different places on Earth in different geographical locations. Asia, America, Africa. They moved to different places in search of raw materials. Because of Renaissance, because of industrial revolution, they needed raw materials. They made production. Production, different types of raw production. Clothing, cotton cloth, all this production. They needed market. They needed market for that production. They needed raw materials to feed their industrial revolution. So they had to come in contact with different locations, different peoples. And when they came in contact with different peoples, for the first time they realized that people are very different. When they discovered new lands, Vasco da Gama, Columbus, when they discovered new land, they found that these people, Homo sapiens, are very different in different places. It is the geography, it is the environment, it is the climate that shape this behavior of human beings. They make us different. The environment and the genes to बहुत पसंद है जिन को बहुत पसंद है सेट डालने पर, है ना? They have shaped us. So केवल there is a starting point. They started to read this colonial, this administrator, this missionary people from Britain, Catholic missionaries. They started to read about these people because they wanted to spread their religion. They started to spread their religion. Missionaries, their administrators. When they came in contact with these primitive people, they started to read about them. Their habit, their way of life, their culture, their society. And that is the formal start. That is the formal start of anthropology. Formally, we have started to read anthropology, socio-cultural based. Formally, anthropology started socio-culturally, not genetically, not biologically. That is a starting point. Yes, sir. Colonial power. Next, in 11th century, we have Al-Biruni. Al-Biruni came to India, in Asian part, in subcontinent. Al-Biruni, in 11th century, in history we have read, right? Al-Biruni came to India. He has studied thoroughly about this subcontinent, the people, their way of life, their religion, and he has jotted down all the points. He has written the points, and he has presented these things to their own people, Arabian leaders, all these things. So that is the formally we have started to evolve in 11th century. Al-Biruni has done in-depth analysis of the people of India and subcontinent. Second point. If point I mentioned like content model deep Belacan note yes, sir. Development. Next, 14th to 17th century, it is the German philosophers. Immanuel Kant, especially Immanuel Kant. Immanuel Kant. It is defined as a systematic study of man as a physical and moral being. The German philosophers started to define anthropology is the study of a man as physical and moral being. Physical means the biological part, and moral being means the ethics, the culture, the society, the economy, the polity, behavior, everything. Means, according to German philosopher, it is the combination of both physical and moral being. For the 7th century. Next 18th century, it was Immanuel Kant, animal origin. For the first time, he said animal origin. মানে দেখো আমি কি ফোকাস শিফট করি বায়োলজিক্যাল লাইনে বায়োলজিক্যাল ফোকাস শিফট করব 18th century it was Immanuel Kant. The animal origin, social as well as cultural development and progress of man. Yes, sir. Animal origin, social as well as cultural development and progress of man. Animal का origin का animal है ठीक है and physical anthropology. After that, this physical anthropology, this evolution has helped us to change, to evolve our culture, our technology, our society. है ना? Physically में change होगा ना उसे, मानव में दुनिया पर होगा ना उसे, बांद्रा तो culture नहीं को, है ना? बांद्रा असल society ऐसे नहीं बांद्रा, group ऐसे ना, बांद्रा group ऐसे है ना, बांद्रा का behavior ऐसे बिल्कुल, we read about their behavior. जैसे हमें का behavior कौन है? ताकि सामने ताकि कौन है? जैसे ऊपरी विषय है कैसे, है ना? जैसे ऊपरी विषय है क्या है? ये पढ़ा पे क्या है? community पे क्या है? Care, they take care.
They use word when those snakes and all these. There's this particular word, not word, I mean sound they use.
Yes, there are some sounds. They have sounds. Different animals, including birds, also they have sound. They use the sound to communicate, but they do not have a formal language. They do not have a particular language. They have sound. They communicate with each other. They have a group. We cannot attack one particular monkey. Other monkeys will come to protect it. Right? they have a group, they take care of themselves, they also do fashion, they comb themselves, they used to comb others, comb kore nakhoni, they have of these nails, they comb others. See, fashion got a member or a heavy character. Members do fashion. They are like manho gan no man. Now I just kismane manu basic fashion ko theke iman kin bare ta no human being kore lora buru kore ola ola bara na kapan lora swali kore bare lora buru kore ta line na so be kore. It's the basic instinct of mammals. Under kore thik ase sobe kore understand laga under kore thik ase to so baki so there is a communication se better ase mane ki animal origin হলে কি কিছুমান আমি বহুত বেছি আগবাঢ়ি গ'লে হাতি এটালৈকে এটা প্ৰিমিটিভ বিষয় আছে যে আগবাঢ়ি যোৱা নাই বায়োলজি এটা ইমান সাপোৰ্ট নিদিয়ে ঠিক আছে তো বায়োলজি যে অৰিজিন অফ কালচাৰ নেক্সট ইজ biological evolution underlying study of human origin and biological evolution human culture and social development is connected question 19th century যদি encyclopedia britannica is a discourse on human being study of human being biological evolution to a continuous biological evolution of man which contributed to cultural evolution and the human cultural capacity is responsible for the origin and development of human society. Culture, human biological evolution, it has given us the biological evolution has given us a particular culture, and it is our capacity actually. It is the capacity of human beings to continue this culture. It is our capacity. We have continued it. We have learned. We have evolved. We have learned from our mistakes. We have done errors. We have learned from them. And it is our capacity actually. That is why we are at this position now. We call ourselves the most civilized species, right? Because we had that capacity to continue that culture, the culture that has given by biology. We could continue that culture. We had that capacity. Now there is a very famous anthropologist. His name is Edward Bunnett Tylor. তোমালোকে এর নাম পাইছে ঠিক আছে? এর নাম লেখা তোমালোকে মনত পেয়ে যাবে Edward Bunnett Tylor. He has given a very different definition of anthropology now. Now we are talking about 19th century. After 19th century, I mean evolution হয়ে গেছে ঠিক আছে? Edward Bunnett Tylor, what he has said is study of old remains of people and the physical features, races, languages, customs and practices of primitive peoples. Once he has isolated the definition now to primitive people only, old civilization, old culture only. According to the definition of Edward Bunnett Tylor, he is a very famous anthropologist. Edward Bunnett Tylor, I mean Python, even society economy. So what he has said that it is the study of all the languages, culture, everything, society, but not of modern people. It is about old people, old cultures, and primitive people, tribal people. Primitive people. So ना कोल्ले के boundary line draw कोल्ले actually. तो जो anthropology का ना भाल ना भाव चुका. In anthropology, we are talking about everything, about all human beings. तो लोग लगे to say me new anthropologist के हम Paul Broca है यार. Paul Broca लगे the scope of anthropology extends to modern civilizations, modern human beings also. Paul Broca. ठीक है. মানে যে ফিলোসফি যে কথাবোৰ কয় যে মানে হেতি ৰিয়েলিটি হেতি মিনিং নকৰে বহুত বেছি এটা ভাবি থৈ যে তুমি কিবা ক'ব বিচাৰে কিবা কথা ওলাই যাব ঠিক আছে হেতি বহুত বেছি ভাবি থাকে যে মানে ক'ব বিচাৰে কিবা এটা ওলাই যায় কিবা এটা তো এই যে টাইলৰে মানে লিমিট কৰা নাছিলে actually মানে ক'ব বিচাৰে যে প্ৰিমিটিভ পিপলৰ পৰা মানে বেছিকৈ এইটো ওপৰ পাইছো বস্তুটো হেতু ক'ব বিচাৰে আৰু কিন্তু মানুহটো কি আমি যোনটো কৈছো হেতু কথা মই জাজমেন্ট দিব হয় না তো সেইকাৰণে কিবা এটা ব্ৰকা হিলে Paul Broca said that no anthropology it doesn't mean that it is only about primitive people, it is also includes modern people, modern civilization, everything, all human beings. Homo is the boundary of the anthropology. Homo is the boundary of the anthropology. ठीक है सर? Then next comes Malinowski. Malinowski is a very famous British anthropologist. Malinowski, मतलब पाठ्य होना. Malinowski, Redcliffe Brown, Franz Boas, Redcliffe Brown, then Malinowski. Then it is in the 20th century. The study of biology, culture, and society went throughout time in all parts of the world. It is the comprehensive comparative ये मतलब मन ध्यान देवे बस्तु मतलब मुखस्थ बनाले बस्तु ध्यान दे बस्तु ठीक बस्तु it is the comprehensive comparative holistic holistic and humanistic field. Humanistic field. Is it a recent anthropologist? Recent anthropologist, very recently new updated মানে কৈছে তাৰ গোটেইখিনি নলেজ পালে আগৰ কি কি কৈছে না now they has given a new idea, new definition of anthropology. Anthropology is not only about primitive people or modern people but a particular culture. It is a comprehensive study of human beings, comprehensive throughout different places on earth, at different time scale, at different geological time scale, starting from Stone Age, from Ice Age, Pleistocene era, starting from Ice Age till modern times, in different time periods. It will include all the comprehensive. It will include all the different times and different places around the world. है কাৰণ সময় বেলেগ জেগাত মানুহ পোৱা নাই, মানুহ পোৱাৰ লগে লগে তাতো গৈছে ঠিক আছে তাৰ মানুহসকলে ইয়াতে আছে different time and at different places on earth ঠিক আছে তোমালোকৰ ব্ৰেইনটো খোলা ৰাখিব লাগিব মানুহৰ কথা কৈছে মানুহ মানে য'তে পাব পানী তললৈ যাব লাগিব ঠিক আছে we need human beings মাছ এটাই মানে হান্টিং কৰা মানুহ লাগে মানুহ পালে আমি ধৰি ডাবল কঠিন হয় তো কি খাওঁ কি মানে কোনটো পূজা কৰা ঠিক আছে comprehensive study of human beings about at different places at different time. Comparative, we are going to read the different cultures, we are going to compare them, we are going to see their similarity, we are going to see their differences. And this is a very important point, very important method to do anthropological research. As we know, the cultures are very much different because their origin is different, their evolution, the method of evolution is different, their environment was different, their society is different. The religion is a part of culture. Food is a part of culture. Now religion, you can see different religion, different part of the earth. They have originated in different part of the earth. Islam originated in Saudi Arabia. Then Christianity again in Jerusalem. Then again Jewish Jerusalem. Then again you can say Hinduism in Indian subcontinent, Aryans, right? Buddhism in Indian subcontinent. It is because of the geographical features of these particular places they gave rise to these different cultures of religions. In Islam, you can find the importance of moon. Moon has got a very important importance in Islam. In Hinduism, the sun has got very high importance. Sun. It is the geography only, not any particular god. Okay. Some of Malaga heart number Malaga is basically religious to Malaga. Malaga may ignore by the Sorry. Crescent-shaped moon. It has got very important in Arab culture because Arab is a very hot desert. They could not move during daytime. They had to move only during night time to do all the activities, economic, route, traveling, all this. They have to move at a night time. So they are very attached to this moon. Geographically, it has helped them. They are emotionally attached to this moon. Or in religion, in their particular religion, in their particular culture, it has got a very high importance. In Hinduism, sun. Sun means cloud formation, rainfall, evaporation, cloud formation, rainfall, fertility of the soil. And Indian subcontinent, as you know, you can find Indus Valley, you can find Nebra-Purupur Valley, Ganga Valley, and these lands are very fertile land. We need this sun has given us more fertility because of high rainfall. Because agriculture needs water, rain-fed agriculture, they need water. That is why this particular civilization of this particular place, especially this Rigvedic people, started to give importance to this natural forces, Agni, then Vayu. Right. Then again Varuna. Varuna means the god of water. Right. Then Surya Bhagwan. All this they have got importance in the Hinduism culture. Buddhism is a very practical religion. Again, it has origins because of a particular situation. Buddhism. Why? During the Rigvedic period, we had this Varna system, and again in So, what is about geography, evolution of man. So geography, how it has helped to create different cultures. Buddhism, practical religion, because in later period we have been sacrificing the Brahmanism people have been sacrificing the caste system, we have been sacrificing cattle, and we need cattle because we need agriculture. The particular environment has given the rise of these particular cultures. Now they are different based on different situations, based on different climatic conditions, based on different geographical conditions. So we have to compare them. There will be differences. We have to accept them. We have to acknowledge that there is a difference, and it is very good. Difference is very good. If there is a difference, then only you can learn. If you are very expert in physics, I can learn physics from you. If I am expert in some other subject, I can learn from you. There is a requirement for evolution of culture and society. Comparing holistic means totally overall development. We are going to read human beings from all perspectives, from economical perspective, from biological perspective, from sociology perspective, from all perspectives we are going to read the human beings. Because the human behavior is not shaped by a particular subject, particular study, particular behavior. The human behavior is a combination of all the forces, economic, sociology, politics, all these things. And our behavior, our history को सेट न करे, तो हमारे इकोनॉमी सेट करे, हमारे बैकग्राउंड में घोड़ा बैकग्राउंड की हमारा है ना, इकोनॉमिक बैकग्राउंड की, हमारे पॉलिटिकल थॉट टू की, लेफ्टिस्ट, राइटिस्ट, सेंट्रलिस्ट की है हमारा पॉलिटिकल थॉट. Then हमारा culture, religion, also religion also affect our behavior, है ना. जिन्हें भारतीय religion follow करे, भारतीय behave करे, जिन्हें religion भारतीय ना ना, ये उल्टा पुल्टा जाप समाने मार्केट करे, तो पहले behavior है ना. और ये वो holistic, हम basically देखो भारतीय को यहाँ मिलता है. Holistic बहुत important. The main theme is the main theme of anthropology. Holistic, central theme of anthropology. Holistic. Humanistic field, माने overall going to read about humans only. Overall development of human beings. Basically हम explain करेंगे next class में. ठीक है? तो हमारा class का हम यही है.